In April 2025, the first virtual study visit of the Rebuild project took place, an opportunity to explore local needs, share expertise, and strengthen international collaboration. Involving partners from Italy, Poland, and Austria together with institutions from Georgia, Moldova, and Ukraine, the initiative fostered a genuine connection and laid the groundwork for future cooperation, despite being held online. Rebuild is an Erasmus Plus capacity building project in the field of vocational education and training, aimed at transferring knowledge from EU countries to non-Erasmus Plus countries in the Eastern neighborhood. Each country highlighted its own challenges and strategies. In Georgia, vocational schools are preserving historical heritage while adopting sustainable construction practices. In Moldova, partners are addressing seismic vulnerability and deteriorating housing by combining traditional restoration with innovation-renovation approaches.
Хлопці, всіх ноші, кого ноші наверх, саме верх. Наверх, саме до самого верху.
In Ukraine, despite the ongoing war, examples of rapid reconstruction, modular housing, and a renewed focus on skills for recovery are emerging. Rebuild is more than just a project. It's a shared commitment to knowledge, sustainability, and solidarity.